Okay guys, just going to show you guys some tips here on Final Cut Pro. I got a video here and then it goes from vertical. I just want to show you guys when you go vertical clips from your camera, this is this way, right? But I already changed this aspect ratio by turning it. So there's something like this here. You use this right here, turn it, and then you scale it. I usually hold down the command button and then I just stretch it with the mouse, and that's how you get it fit. But I'm gonna hit Control Z and Control Z again to show you a trick here. Since this is already uh, edited and just like stretched to what I wanted vertically, what you do is click on here, you hit Command C, and then you just click the next clip over. You hold down the Shift button. This is for Apple, and then you hit the last one, hit edit, and then come over here and then you just hit paste attributes. Then you'll see the rotation and scale. You just hit paste, then you can see everything's already where it's supposed to be at. It's already scaled up. So that's just a quick tip to give you guys to save some time when you're on Final Cut Pro. And I could show you guys like the volume part also. You could do the same thing with the volume. So come in here, and then this is where you can hold down the Shift button, and then you see those two arrows. You can bring it down. You can control it a lot better. But yeah, just tips like this. Just make sure you follow, subscribe. If you want more videos like this, and I'll be back trying to show different videos.